Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to show you how to create a company email under your cPanel. So in case you're using Afrihost or any other company or CP22 domains.co.za or any other company which uses the same interface. So what you're going to do, you're going to have to navigate on your cPanel. Also you see there are many things they give you here. Your domain hosting is gonna show you what do you have here on your left hand corner. They say you have 2 emails out of 25. You know, sometimes they limit what you have based on what you've paid. So on this package we have 25 emails. If we create 25 emails, we never be able to create the 26th one. So you have to know that before you create the emails, you know how much emails do I have. So they show us here we have MySQL databases which are 5. We used only 1. In nodes they show everything here, and also the space they give us 3 gig. We've used 1.5, which means more than half percent, 52% we've used it. And on our MySQL databases we've used 20%, and on the emails we've used 8%. Okay, that's all we needed to see and to know. Subdomains 5, we have 0. Okay, many things here. You got to learn how to do them. So but anyway, today we came in here for what? For our emails. So in case you have your company emails and in case you have your company and you don't know how to create them, ask the person or ask the guy who hosts your website to tell you, to give you your cPanel user logins. Once he gives you that, you log into your cPanel. Your cPanel is gonna look like this. So what do? You go up. There's a section for emails, there's a section for domains, there's a section for databases, there's a section for files. Files section is a section where you put your website. You click here, that's when we're gonna find our website where it's sitting and everything. All these are the files managing our content. You can see we're using WordPress, and everything here is being put into these folders. Okay, now we know where we are. We go back here. This is your disk usage, images, and everything is here. So but the section for database is here, also domains here, but then the section for emails comes here. So there is autoresponders. If you want to create autoresponders, you come here. If you want to create global email filters, you come here. Encryptions, you come here. Email filters also come here. Default addresses, you come here. Forwarding, you come here. Email routing, you come here. Truck deliveries, address importers, email disk usage. This is where you see how much space I've used. You remember emails also, they give you space you use. If your email is full or whatever, all those things, that's where you come and check what you have. Inbox is 0, junk is 0, sent items 0, trash 0, mailbox format cPanel 0. So now you leave that. So these are just clues. I'm just giving you tips on how things are working in that section. So we go here and create account. We say email accounts. There on email accounts you can say we have 1, 2 only. So we want to create an email here. So what we do is we say create. Okay, once you create, I'm gonna create Azania. Okay, Azania. So if I create that, I don't have to say at my website. Leave it like that because by default it's being made to be like that. So what you do, you can generate a password here and say generate. This is the password they've generated for you, or you leave and create your own one. Maybe I can create my own one by you click on the I if you don't want to forget it. You say capital A, which stands for Azania. Then maybe you say hashtag then say 5, capital T, small t, capital U, then we say 2, 1, then we say rent. Okay, we say maybe we want to make it like that, but here you see how many megabytes you want space storage. You can give somebody a terabyte or a gigabyte or a megabyte. So we want to make it, let's say, megabytes. We put them to 1000 megabytes, so 1000 gigabytes, or we put it to unlimited. If you put unlimited, it simply means this person doesn't have any limitation on the space of that email. So once you say stay on this page, after creating, we can say we want to stay here, or do not automatically create folders. Automatically create folders, you can leave this the way it is. You don't touch anything else. Then you say create. Once you create, it's gonna give you a good message which says Azania, this he has been what created. So this email has been created. So if you send me an email on that email, I can get it. Understand? So now, after creating that email, I can do what? I can go back on my cPanel and I go to the email sections and say email accounts. On email accounts here, you can see that Azania is unrestricted. Most of the emails here are unrestricted. So Azania is the email address we just created now. Sorry, you can also check in the mailbox here. You can see here, open my mailbox when I log in. You can do that if you want. Autoresponders, you can create the autoresponders there. So I can click here, or I can set up emails on your device. You can say iPhone, Apple, iPad, whatever. So enter an email address that you can access from your device. So you can enter an email address that you can access from your device. You can put that one there. Okay, after that, you can see on many things here you can play with if you want to. Then you will be done. Configure email client, manage disk usage, track deliveries, account references, configuration of calendar and contacts, autoresponders. If I click on autoresponder, I don't have none here. Then we can add an autoresponder if you want. You click there, then interval, you can put the time you want. Okay, say the number of hours to wait between responses to the same email addresses, or 0 to always respond. Okay, so from who? Maybe you can say from Azania. Okay, subject. Okay, after saying not in office, then you can put here, hi, thanks for contacting us. After that, we are maybe not in the office. Maybe you can put a good message, respond immediately, then you can customize if you want to. That gonna depend on what you need. You understand? So that shouldn't be a problem. After that, you create that, so which means whoever send you an email, it's gonna auto respond to sending that same message. You get me? So that's the way you create, and it has a lot of functionalities. We just decided to talk about one autoresponder, but there's many things you can do. You can also set up this company email on your own phone. You don't have to go to a computer or Outlook. You receive them there, you also send them there. You understand? That's the way things are working, guys. Thanks for working. Thanks for being with us today. Please don't forget to subscribe, and also share this content with your friends, and also don't forget to click the bell button so that you receive notification after whenever we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.